So whenever in present scenario days, when you are having any doubts, what the major thing that you are going to use? Can anybody say that? Right? Without the second chance, you are saying that we will use ChatGPT or we will use Gemini. But why don't you say that I can contact my friend for solving my doubts? Not right. So this is where the story begins. Doubts. What the major thing that you are going to use to be participated? There are two major things, right? That without the communication and the coding. Saying that though you have the coding skills, we will use you should definitely have the communication, right? But so why don't you say that I can contact my friend for solving my doubts? Not right. So made an app the story begins. But what the major thing that we don't know that how to develop ourselves according to the right details, communication and the coding. Though you have the coding skills, we got definitely have the communication, right? Friends, so I got to make that score in learning. Critical size people listening. Not right. What the made an app the story begins. But so for anything we don't know that how we have developed ourselves according to the developed details, you can develop yourself and the coding. That is where we decided to have we got Cognivision AI communication. That means so I got to use AI to develop your own skills as people listening. So basically, whenever you have any doubts or scenarios or based how we have developed ourselves, you need to be developed details. And if you have any doubt in that particular app of food design, you are going to Cognivision and you are going to pay them another year. So instead of making that develop that scenario, we will integrate AI basically. Whenever you have any doubts or scenarios on every single person without depending on anyone. So how it will go on develop. If you have any doubt in the particular app of food design, you are going to talk with them and you are going to make another year. So instead of making that develop that scenario, we will integrate
so all of you use food application. So it may be of many modules in it. So you can practice in those modules and you can get the results. But some of the solutions may be different. Like not everything. Okay, a slight different. All of you use food application, but you don't know how to. It may be verified using this modules integrated. So food AI, you can. So this integrates AI in those modules. You can get your scores, and it is an AI powered platform. We have seen many of the mentors carrying the reports manually. So this can replace it by generating reports via PDF or everything. So this also has easier access for getting all the data. So we have integrated it by using AI. And next, my friend will continue.
And see the loading page, the loading page contains several login items. Like we use, it follows role-based access. It has several roles like user and admin and pool mentor. It also contains several animations using Hoot, like an owl, 3D owl, which tracks you and when it enters to the login page and it shows the user dashboard, like the performance of a student. If I log in as a student, it shows my performances and dashboards. And the feature that I like that we included is, there is always 90 to 95% chance when there is a competition between the people. In that competition, on basis of that competition, we use a feature that you can, track the performance of your co-student or your friend, and you can perform well or to compete them. And also you can log in based on your pool mentor and also admin to track the students performance. And also there is a competition between pool mentors also. If two pool mentors competing, they they can tell their students to.
Good presentation. The time up now. Okay, wonderful presentation. Okay, thank you. The next team. Next team number 48. Team number 48. Countdown start now.
Welcome, Team 48. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Cognivision. Pedapatruni, Pujitha Pravalika, Apala, Venkata, Anudeep, Etisai, Sidhu Praneeth, Jalipali, RPG Sumant, Madharedu, Manikanta, Kurupudi Charan, Sai Raju. Their project aims to Cognivision is an assistive mobile application that helps visually impaired users navigate outdoor environments safely and independently. Implemented using Flutter, Dart, and Node.js, this is truly a project to watch. The spotlight is bright and it is all yours. Shine on.
Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Thank you for Babji sir for presenting this event, and so thankful for mentors and other events managers for selecting us. So, imagine you are people who are not able to see people or objects, or not able to navigate from routes. So for that, it will be so difficult to walk or organize things, everything will be so difficult, right? So for that, we just implemented an app called Cognivision. This is an app which is completely based on voice navigation. So this app completely based on voice navigation, as I told, and we do have so many key features, like we can identify people. You may have a doubt, I just told this is an app which is used for visually impaired people. You may have doubt. They can't see how can they use this app. I just told you that this app is completely based on voice navigation. So the command that you give, the voice that you tell, will be the output that accurate. So we do have so many key features, like organizing or navigating to places, recognizing faces, etc. So our main goal is to navigate detect objects, do other same things like we do, and the rest is explained by Ritik.
Yeah, thank you, Praneeth, for giving a quick start for our project Cognivision. And guys, our project Cognivision presents a 6 core feature for it, and the first one is with the Gemini Live AI, where the user controls everything through the voice commands. And the Gemini 2.5 reacts and responds immediately with the 800 milliseconds. So it was instant, right? So it reacts, it helps the visually impaired person to assess the voice through clearly. And the second one key feature was the YOLO V8 object detection, where it detects the objects of 80 classes, and it allows the user to walk through voice and commands. And the third one was GPS navigation. GPS navigation, we will be using Google Maps for navigating from one place to another, where it will be assisting to the only voice commands. So the blind person can't see, right? So only the voice commands will be working on through this app, and it always allows the user with instant latency, like 0 latency provided, and we are trying to do this. And the fourth one is the alert system, SOS and all. If the user says any emergency or help or any SOS function, so the app react instantly, and it's fires and socket IO exception for the paired guardian user. And the last one is we have dedicated an IoT device for navigation. You used ESP32 microcontroller and Neo 6M location-based microcontroller for detecting the live location to the user. Like if we are using the phone location, right? If the phone fails to update the location lively, we will be using this IoT device instead of the phone. So it will be lively helping the blind person to navigate easily. And the last feature will be explaining the Pravalika team lead.
Hi everyone. The main feature is face recognition. We use ML kit, and for face recognition, when a person came in front of the user, it will scan the face and present who is the person is it. And the workflow is, whenever the app is launched by the user, then the Gemini Live API is So finally, the entire Cognivision app is based on voice navigation. There is no buttons, no screen, and no navigation. The Cognivision is not just an app, it is a complete ecosystem which is only built to help the visually impaired persons to navigate safely and more independently and more.
So well done. Take your group photo. So between our technical team sort out the technical glitch, I'm going to announce another few teams who is best integrated AI into their project. Okay. Team number. Any guess at least? Your team at least, right? Team number 13. Team number 13. Team number 13. Okay.
Welcome, Team 13. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Live Tech Metapati Sanjana, Baraka Mohan Manishankar, Achyuta Ashok, Sunkara Soumya, Manaru Haswanth, Palani Raja. Their project aims to many AI applications such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Grok release frequent updates, making it difficult for students to track new features and changes across multiple platforms. Implemented using Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI, this is truly a project to watch. We are fully amazed before you even begin. Now really amaze us.
The next team, team number 28. Team number 28. Nobody there? I'll take that.
Welcome, Team 28. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the Project Smart Exam Evaluator.
Please clap.
Gagula Ashrita, Kalu Lohitha Alekya, Korla Kavya Santoshi, Kopiredi, Hema Durga, Koneti Sai Lakshmi Durga, Madam Seti Sai Lahari. Their project aims to OCR vid your NLP system to evaluate handwritten answers automatically. Implemented using React.js, Node.js, and Express.js, this is truly a project to watch. Every great journey starts with a bold step. Take yours right now.
Okay. So next team, this time either from the second year, team number need to present. Okay, this is the team presentation. It's not AI awards. It's the team presentation. Team number 120. Second year team, team number 120.
Welcome,
Yes,
Team 120. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Safe Her Ramalakshmi Sai
Team number
Meenakshi Badu,
120.
Janavia Pana, Palanki Kanaka Ratna Mitra, Dimantaluru,
Please
Emahankali
run.
Karke. Their project aims to Safe Her as an AI-powered women's safety system that provides real-time protection through intelligent threat detection and rapid response. Implemented using JavaScript, React.js, and SQL, this is truly a project to watch. We are so proud already. Now show us why we should be even more proud.
Imagine Don't worry, come on, come on.
Imagine you are going to an isolated path. You want a person who wants to guide you, who will help you, guide you to your destination and and prevent you from danger. Because prevention is better than cure. We claim to have fitted that person into a mobile application called Safer. Good evening, we are from the team Safer and we are here to demonstrate our project. First, you would have a doubt that what is the difference between the present applications and our application. our application, let me give you a small walkthrough through the present applications. They rely on manual SOS activation, and in the time of danger, the person can't reach their phones and access it, which makes it difficult for help to arrive during emergency. So what we built is a AI prevention system. It detects the danger before the danger reaches the victim. The main features of our project are AI risk detection system. We detect the risk using the present situation of the user, their body language, their voice modulations, and how they are moving Now the solution for this we brought.
So for this, we bought the solution like actually existing safety apps only contain manual SOS activation, right? So in our app, we are going to integrate like SOS activation is also available. Other than that, we are also using voice detection and phone shaking, and based on all the abnormal activities, we are going to calculate a risk score. Based on that risk score, we are going to send the alert system to in three stages. So first one is to family and trusted contacts, which are saved in the app, and the second is to nearby volunteers in the given radius, and third is to the police. So alerts are sent based on the risk score. Apart from that, in these emergency situations, evidence is also needed as important. So for storing the evidence, we are using the blockchain. We are using blockchain because it stores the evidence very encrypted. So the video and audio are saved in the blockchain very securely. And these are only taken by user only, accessed by user only with two-factor authentication. And other than that, we also integrated safety navigation. Safe route navigation. Actually, in Google Maps, you see fastest route, right? So here, we, based on the crime scenes, crime rates, and also number of users in the particular place, we are also integrating safe route navigation. It is not the fastest, but the safest for women. And about the workflow, Karthikeya will explain.
So when a person logs into our app, the app checks the risk scores and then sends the alerts to their family and the trusted contacts. We have three stages. Emergency. We have three stages: safe, emergency, and critical. When the stage is in safe, we just keep the app running in the background and observe the surroundings. When the app is in critical stage and the risk score is in critical stage, we send notifications to the nearby volunteers and their family members. When the stage is critical, we involve the police and bring it. Here are some screenshots of our app, like the SOS screen, the chat tab, and the AI risk engine and the maps. Now Dhimant will continue.
Yeah, risk score was calculated based on the safe route. Safe route was we get through the TensorFlow. This is the solution we find to overcome all these solutions, all these situations by using safer application which is integrated with AI. Thank you.
So, okay, the next team.
Team number 142. Team number 142. I think is missing. Okay, the team number 134.
Welcome, Team
number
134. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Share Sphere Garapati Surya, Prokadari Brahmdevanam SRI Rama Ravi Karan. Jangala Shri Rajkumar, Muhammad Hussein Sharif, Pamidi Tejavant. Their project aims to share Sphere is a peer-to-peer skill and service exchange platform built for students, freelancers, and community members, implemented using React.js, Node.js, and Express.js. This is truly a project to watch. Drop everything, because this presentation is about to be legendary.
So hello guys, a warm good evening to all. So this is the team Shakespeare. So our project is mainly based on two different platforms. So first one is a learning platform and the second one is a freelancing platform. So these both are two different criteria. In the learning platform, you have the cross, but you don't know where to learn. But while coming to the freelancing platform, you have the skill, but you don't know where to suppress it. So Shakespeare is the solution for this platform. Here we have one centralized user. Here you can do works, you can post works, you can learn from someone, or you can contribute notes to someone, and you can learn from someone's notes. So let's get into what we have done. So the problem statement is taken from here, and in this we do have some skill barter systems. Like we do have few platforms where we have like one-to-one skill sharing, but we don't have few platforms where a cyclic way of skill sharing is done. So that is the speciality of this project. So let's get into the modules. So coming to the first module, you can see the login module. Here a centralized admin will be there who will take care of the security and integrity of the project. And coming to the next one, one-to-one peer sharing. So by the name you can say that one-to-one peer sharing is a skill exchange platform, which means like I have a React, but I want MongoDB to learn. And for example, my friend Surya knows MongoDB and he wants React, which means we do have a mutual exclusion between us. So I will share a skill with him and he will share a skill with me. So by that we can have a fulfillment of our skills. Next comes the broadcast class and learn from tutor. Broadcast class is a main way where you can earn some credits and you can redeem them, which means like you do have a skill and you want to earn in a mass way. So you will broadcast a class where students and learners with no skill will come here and learn from the classes. And next comes the project composite. This is the main part of our project. You can see the trade loop, which means like here a looping will continue, which means here we can learn multi-skills with a unique skill, which means like I have React, I want MongoDB. One have MongoDB, but he wants a backend code. One have backend and he wants React, which means like we have a looping between us. So if we group, we can fulfill our requirements. And comes to the create notes and top notes. Suppose you are in a scenario like you are fed up with doing works in our project, like in our platform. You are in a learning phase. You are learning a new skill. So while learning the new skill, you will write a notes in your backend and you will contribute here. Here the admin decides the code quality and he will give how much credits can be done for it. And coming to the hire work, you have credits, but you don't know who to hire. You wanna do a project. You can go to the hire work. So coming to the workflow.
So yeah, as my friend Ram explained you fully about our website. Coming to the workflow of our website, it's basically used to fill out the gap in between the freelancers, clients, and also learners, and also the tutors. And coming to the workflow first, basically a user is to be logged into our website. So the users are categorized and rolled based on whether they are giving the work to the particular client. So in such a way that he will be a freelancer. And also coming to the students like us who can enroll into a particular course and learn from the tutors who are learning some courses. And coming to the AI power matching, when a particular student enrolled as a learner and enroll into a particular class, such as if we take a full stack development class. In that, the tutor is to place some credits, such like that 3 credits or 4 credits per each student. And then the AI is to give the recommendations based on the skills. Suppose I said that I will learn full stack, and given the skills I will need to learn is React, database for database, PostgreSQL, example, etc., etc. So based on the given technologies and the course we have given mentioned in the particular enrollment form, the AI is to give basically the recommendations. And coming to the exchange modes. So as my friend said that we have 3 different kinds of categories in the exchange modes. One-to-one, one-to-N, and the end-to-end, which is known as the broadcast. And coming to the broadcast, all of these are very effectively implemented. And we have implemented the credit-based system or the reward-based system and the skill exchange system. So which will make us to avoid the complexity in our website. So thank you.
The next team, team number 35. Team number 35.
Welcome, Team 35. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project AXI-APB hybrid interface, Soda Dasi Nikhil Prince, Pichika Raja Veera Pranathi, Kosanam
Team number
Suvarna
35.
Subramanyaswari, Tekumudi Guru Nandini Devi, Bandaru Kavya Surya Harshini, Shak Dilwar. Their project aims to this project designs and verifies a hybrid memory interface between CPU and SRAM using AXI and APB protocols implemented using Xilinx Vivado, Verilog, and System Verilog. This is truly a project to watch. The work speaks for itself and we are all here to listen.
So hello guys. So a very good evening to all the respective mentors, my friends and the juniors. So before beginning my project, I have a small request. I want you to visualize what me and my friends are presenting. So without further ado, let's get into our project. The title of our project is AXI-APB hybrid interface for efficient CPU and SRAM communication. Very lengthy and boring, right? Next slide, please. We have made a simple animation. This is for the gamers out here. As you can see, this is a simple PC setup consisting of a gaming monitor, NVIDIA graphics, whatnot. So let us zoom into the CPU part. The central processing unit processes all the information that happens throughout the system. As you can see, here are keyboards, monitor, GPU, and RAM. And this will process each and every information in the system. So for example, let us take that user has pressed a key in the chip. So this will go through the CPU and reach the RAM. This is the internal architecture of a RAM. A RAM is nothing but continuous memory locations of infinite or scaled number of memory locations which holds particular amount of data. Let us pick this location which has stored the data called base 35. So I want to access this data. So this data will go through the memory locations and reach the end of the line, and through the wire it will reach the CPU. This is the general architecture that happens in our daily life. So the problem that you have identified in this particular architecture is single protocol, single data path at single speed is being used. This is resulting in power wastage. For that we have developed an hybrid architecture which will be explained by my teammate.
Okay, all right. As we have seen the problem statement, we have came up with a solution called Adaptive Hybrid AXI-APB Interface, which is the solution to the problem statement. We have implemented this architecture by using the CPU traffic analyzer. First of all, the architecture starts with the CPU, which is the central processing unit. As we have designed the CPU by randomization class, it generates the random data and addresses. It will be given to the traffic analyzer, which is the main block of our project. It is the main heart and brain of our project, which has the decision-making capability to select and segregate the data. So into the sequential and also into the random addresses. So the traffic analyzer takes that data and segregate into the sequential and random manner. So that will be done by the traffic analyzer. If the data is segregated as sequential, then the AXI protocol, which is the high performance protocol, will be selected, which requires high performance, which requires high power consumption. And for low workload, the APB protocol will be selected, which requires low power consumption. So the workload on the AXI protocol will be reduced so that we can reduce the power consumption. That's the main aim of our project.
Well, Suvarna, coming to the AI integration into our project, we have implemented a separate module which will be replaces the traffic analyzer completely by the machine learning model, which is the decision tree algorithm. This algorithm trains the incoming transactions from the CPU, and it trains itself, and it will make sure to classify the data into sequential and random burst. We have implemented this complete environment using Ubuntu environment, and coming to the results, we have compared the AXI only architecture and the hybrid architecture by writing the HDL code in complete AXI architecture and hybrid architecture. So we have analyzed that the power has reduced by the factor of 1/2 while we are working with the hybrid architecture. So our project demonstrates that it combines the complete AXI efficiency and APB performance that can improve the present communication between the system on chip.
So hope you like this project, and this project is mainly suitable for power critical systems. It has proven to be half as efficient as regular systems. Thank you.
The next team number 40. Team number 40.
Welcome, Team 40. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Nexus, Narayana Shetty, Tarun, Varnika Kari, Ala Umesh, Manda Sandeep Reddy, Veli Hari Om Sai, Kilaparthi Banu Shri Praneeth. Their project aims to RAG-based multilingual AI assistant designed for organizations to interact with their proprietary data through natural language.it features voice-based control and streamlines internal knowledge sharing while ensuring strict data privacy and role-based access. Implemented using React Native, React.js, and Node.js, this is truly a project to watch. We are on full alert, and all ears take the spotlight and shine.
Hi everyone, I am Varnika, and today I am representing a project Nexus. So Nexus is an AI-powered enterprise knowledge base. Imagine you have your own organization one day. I'm sure you'll truly have. So you'll have a lot of documents in different formats, right? Like any unstructured way, like you have a PPT, you have a PDF, you have images, JPGs and all. Where do you store it? It's all fragmented. In different system, you're going to store it where different person can access it. So it's fragmented everywhere in an organization. And the second thing is security and privacy. Even unauthorized people can access your confidential files. Third thing is organization means people can come in and go out. So if new people walks in, you cannot be a one person who explains everything in an organization, right? So for this thing, we've organized or simulated these problem points, and we want to keep a solution where we're introducing you to Nexus. So what Nexus does exactly is, first thing, it formats the data or it structures in a formatted way. Next thing is, this is completely an offline model. So you do not need any internet to access your own data. So whatever you're given here is works offline without internet, which means the data doesn't leak through internet anywhere. How we implemented this is using RAG model. Here we did not use any API or API keys. We have built an inbuilt model which is Olama LLM, which is a RAG model, which is retrieval augmented data. Okay, so when you ask a question about an organization, we doesn't need any random AI generated text. In fact, we need the exact answer from the documents. So for this, here RAG implements over here. It gives the data or the answers only from your internal documents. The second thing here, role-based access. We doesn't want any employee to access any high confidential data. So here it uses hierarchy-based solution. So whenever you augment any kind of data, any documents, it checks the hierarchy and then saves the data. Only the higher persons from your hierarchy or you can access that single data. The next thing is caching. Here, when you answer one question, it already saves the model into a Redis cache. Okay, so whenever somebody other asks the same question, it automatically gives the data from that cache regarding not going again back to the LLM model and trading it again. That's the other core feature. The next thing, audit logs. You're even responsible for your organization to see who are accessing your data, at what time you're accessing it. So that is very important. For auditing all these logs, at what time, who informated your data and all, it is immutable one, which means nobody can erase or manage it in any different way. That's the other feature. Here, when we see how this complete architecture system works, first the documents you'll be giving into the database are taken and extracted the text or data from it. That is converted into an embeddings by the chunks. After the embeddings are stored in a vector database, okay? After that, when you ask any query, it takes that into embeddings and search for the related content in our database. And if any related content found, it automatically gives that from our answer and generates using a model. That is the system flow, however it works. For the tech stack, we've implemented it using backend, frontend, and AI model. For the backend, we have used Fast API, Redis, Quadrant for vectors, database storing, and all, and few more. And for AI model, we have told you already it is Olama LLM. And then I've also used PySdirect for the offline voice to text. And then for the front end, we have used React 18 more version. And then we have used Framer Motion. Also some other things, AXI-OS and all. So coming to a future scope, as in an organization, different kind of people, different set of people with different languages will be there. So we want to make it multilingual support, which means that any person, they can just talk to it in their own language and get the answers queried in that same only language. The next thing is, we want to implement this model not only as an application, we want to make it completely in the OS. We want to make that ingestion in the OS. And the other thing is data board analytics, which means that not only giving in a plain Excel or format data text, we want to make it in a visual represented data analytics manner. So this is all we've implemented till now. The main motto of the thing is for a faster query for an organization and providing securely. As it is an offline model, you can also go through without any internet, like you have technical help your organization, right? We can use it without any internet. That is the main motto of our model. Thank you.
Next team number 47. Team number 47.
Welcome, Team 47. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the Project Safe Pulse Dakamari Siva Pranay, Dokuparthi Kaleshavali, Danina Bhagya Prasad, Dasari Naveen Kumar, Kilari Ushodaya, Sneha Sarma. Their project aims to this personal safety companion, offers peace of mind for families, commuters, and solo travelers. Implemented using Flutter, Dart, and Node.js, this is truly a project to watch. Buckle up, everyone. This presentation is going to be epic.
idea what type of questions are generally asked. And coming to the other module is the tutor, in which we have self-intro. See, self-intro is the basic and common question being asked in every interview, right? If you have given a good self-intro, then only the interview will get a good impression. For that reason, we have implemented self-intro. After giving a self-intro, you'll be getting like the improvements. The AI tells us to please mention your tech stack, your technology has been used. And coming to the website, last but not least, it is something for you're preparing for an exam. And you don't know what to prepare. Suppose you're going through Java in Geeks for Geeks or W3 schools. You're not confident enough to know the content. You can just copy the URL of the website, and if you paste it in our app, it asks questions in our website. Over to you, Rishi.
Yeah, now let me walk you through the tech stack. So we use the Flutter technology. To implement as our front-end design. So we used the clean and glassmorphic design, and then next we have removed the human interactions during the interview process. So for example, think you're giving an interview in the mobile application. So coming to our backend, we have deployed entire our backend in the AWS. And we have used the multiple services in the AWS, such as AWS Poly, so for the voice generation. And coming to the AI model, we have used the Bedrock, so which is used to generate the questions. So we have used here the NVIDIA Nematron Super 3 model, so which has a greater parameter size. And then next, coming to this, we have used the DynamoDB for data storage. And
So this is the problem statement which I am facing, we are facing, you are facing, and everyone facing. The fear of interviews, the lack of confidence, and communication. This is the main topic for the interviews. So we have built a dynamic, flexible, efficient app for interview preparation. This is not just an app, because opportunities are not only given to the people who are knowledge, but opportunities are the ones which are given to the people who can express them. I can confidently say that it can happen through Clue. Thank you. Team Slog signing off.
Presentation. The next team, 132. 132, team number 132.
Welcome, team 132. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project OmniMark AI Panuganda Kamal Karthikeya Kumar, Tabala Swepa, G. Ram Prasad, Monisha Y, Vilamarthi Siri Sai Kishkor, Vela Venkata Siva Kumar. Their project aims to OmniMark AI is an intelligent system that automates answer sheet evaluation using AI, implemented using React.js, REST API, and Python. This is truly a project to watch. This team has cracked the code now. Show us how they did it.
Start.
Good evening all. My name is Karthikeya. Today we are presenting our project OmniMark AI. First of all, Omni means everything or everywhere. Symbolically, we are saying that OmniMark AI can mark anything. First of all, our problem statement is like you may face a delay in results, like if we take our university, the exam will be on one date, and according to the official curriculum, the result should release after 10 to 15 days, right? But it's not happening. The results are taking at least 1 to 1.5 months to releases. We thought why we can't automate it with an AI. So we came up with this idea, OmniMark AI. First of all, the main problem statement is the scale. The teachers need to be correct hundreds of papers during the evaluation process. This may result in the inconsistency and the problem in the scale. Many teachers face the mental health issues also. So we thought we can counter it. And we also have integrated cheat detection system. We will get it through it. So here in our system, there is a role-based module. The university creates an account. The university registers a teacher. The teacher will need to create a session. In that session, they need to upload the question paper and they need to upload the students' answers in a zip file. And they should provide an answer such that it suits the taste of a teacher. For example, if I'm a teacher, I like my students who write textbook definitions and perfect real-world examples, so that AI can extract the rubrics and it can evaluate in my style. So that is the main thing. Here, what I usually think is integrating AI is not just API call to an LLM. There are many things in AI. So we used NLP for this. Here, the evaluation will be done in 2 modes. If it is a simple exam like English, environmental science, or design thinking, it will be solved in a classic NLP or ML algorithms. Basically, the teachers select the evaluation mode. If it is an NLP evaluation, we will split the criteria. 50% of the answer from the NLP takes from the semantic similarity, where we project the student's answer into an embedding, and we also project in the same database or a vector database. So we take a cosine similarity between the teacher and the student. So we can tally it and we can take the result. That is main the NLP mode. For an LLM mode, we can correct it the high dimensional subjects like mathematics, coding, etc. This is one module, and second one is cheat detection system. In that, we can detect any cheats happened in an exam. If any students have similar answer, we can cluster them into a group. If many students are in the same cluster, it is an indication that something happened in their answers. That's the main MVP. Second thing is the OMI. OMI stands for OmniMark Intelligence. From this, the teacher can get the insights from the papers. Like it takes the sessions and gives the recommendation to the teacher how he need to approach the students. From that, we can counter this situation and we can tackle it. The main tech stack is the backend runs on the Fast API. For the queuing, we are using Celery. Actually, we need to use Redis for the queuing. We are using Celery, so it is very fast, and we can use SQLite database. And the front end runs on the white, and this is fully Dockerized. It's like it is plug and play. We deployed it in the AWS. Thank you.
Thank you. Next team number 39. Team number 39. Team number 39. I think they are missing. Team number 39.
Welcome, Team 39. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project CIC ECCD Fusion Cloud Pili Manyasriya, Nalamili Chandrika, Polanati Tejaswi, Bagarapu Vashini. Their project aims to DevOps-based project designed to streamline the process of software integration, testing, and deployment across multiple cloud platforms. Implemented using EC2, S3, and AWS Lambda, this is truly a project to watch. We are fired up and ready. Take it away.
Respected CEO of Certihub and respected mentors and all fellow innovators, a pleasant good evening to one and all. We the team CI/CD Fusion Cloud. Generally developers build applications, right? So reaching to users in an enterprise level would be a critical task. Like if multiple requests is coming to your application and is your application is able to solve all the requests at a time. So here comes the CI/CD Fusion Cloud. So we built a complete scalable cloud native DevOps platform. Here I told you that it is automated. So the manual work and operational errors would be reduced in the deployment phase. So soon after the developer commits his code to the GitHub, that is the central repository to store our application code. So there, this is the workflow. So there in the GitHub, we use the trigger called webhook. So it will trigger the destination URL, that is Jenkins. So whenever in the central repository, that means the source URL had a changes or commit, the developer commits the changes, the Jenkins automatically triggers and this will automate all your deployment phase. So automation means it will build your jar file and it will test your application and it will deploy your application and it will also monitor. And we also integrated AI for analyzing the errors. So let me explain the flow of our application or platform. So soon after the developer commits his code to the GitHub, so the trigger will be triggering the destination URL, that is the Jenkins. So Jenkins automatically pulls the code from the central repository, that is the latest code. That means the code which is committed latest. So the application code consists all your files or all the libraries you have built there. So here the next stage would be the building the jar file. Means jar file consists of all the libraries and all the dependencies of your application. And then it will test. For testing we used SonarQube. So in this SonarQube, it checks code coverage and code quality. If then it builds the Docker image. Wait, what is Docker? So it is a platform independent tool. It will make your application as an image. So it will run on any OS without any platform dependency. So then it will deploy it into Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes? So it is one of the modern DevOps tool. It is container orchestration tool. So it will deploy your application. Like for example, take Docker. It has one app, one phone. For Kubernetes, multiple apps and one phone. Like multiple containers will be consisting in the pod. So the pod can be auto-scale, load balance automatically. So this is self-healing. Like if pod is in the unhealthy check, so the pod will automatically create on its own and it will deploy. So here we used cloud, EKS service. As I mentioned, it is multi-cloud. So we use EKS and AKS. These are the two Kubernetes services produced by Azure and AWS. So here your application or the application that would be deployed using our platform will automatically scale, monitor. So here we implemented a monitoring, cloud monitoring tool called Datadog. So this will monitor the Kubernetes clusters. This will monitor and shares logs to the AI analysis. So here we use the Python API. So it will take the logs and analyze it. If it is the success, the admin will get the mail that the application was successful and it is deployed. If it is an error, the admin will get an error mail like this stage is failing and because of this it is failing. So you need to rectify this stage. So it will reduce the manual operations and human errors and it will also reduce the time if updates are made to an application immediately because we are in the vast technology, right? So updates will be delivered to the end users vastly. So this is developed because recently data center causes 15 hours of downtime. So this has billions of loss. So to rectify this, we built this application and thank you. Innovations are... Thank you guys.
Very confident presentation. Well done, well done. Okay, the next team, the team number 27. Team number 27, I think the boys are watching.
Welcome,
FPL.
Team 27. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Smart Airport Management. Kanamatha Reddy, Manasanthan Reddy, Velosuri Salu, Sumili Nayak, Chandana Meena Bhavika, Paladugu Vamsi, Pathuri Uma Karthikeya. Their project aims to airport maintenance AI platform is an AI-powered mobile application built on ServiceNow that manages all airport operations and maintenance, implemented using React Native, ServiceNow platform, and Flow Designer. This is truly a project to watch. We are ready for takeoff launch into your presentation.
My name is Mani. I am from ServiceNow Technology. Today, my project is Smart Airport Management. First of all, let's forget about the project. Generally, let's take a live example. When a person goes to an airport, suppose a passenger lost their bag. If he lost their bag, he needs to first go to a security, then he needs to tell his problem to them. After, they consult some senior officer, then they check their security off. Then after, if they found the bag, he will get or he will be informed in the future. It takes a lot of manual work and a lot of time. And our solution is a passenger website where if a passenger scans a QR, it opens a website where they can fill a form to raise an incident, or they can chat with AI to raise an incident. After a passenger raises their incident, he gets a WhatsApp message and mail. I have used Vaha HTTP API for WhatsApp message and SMTP server for mail. After a passenger raises an incident, the AI will automatically analyze the keywords. Like suppose if he describes that he lost a bag, it automatically diverts the incident to security. If he describes as a vetter is struck, it will automatically to mechanical team. And we have given it into a levels like critical, medium, low. According to the levels, the incident will be given more resources. For critical, it will be prioritized first to solve the incident. First, the passenger will scan, the AI will analyze, and then it will assign to a person. Then it will be resolved. It is an automated workflow. It will reduce a lot of manual work. And generally, passengers will go to an airport for 3 months, after 6 months or 1 year. If we develop like a app or a small website, they don't need to use it. So first of all, for passenger, I developed a normal HTML page where you can just enter without any login credentials. And for staff, I created a mobile app, and they will receive a mail when an incident is raised. Then for backend, I use Python and Fast API. For AI, I use Grok LLM 3 model. Integrations like ServiceNow and SMTP server plus Vaha. ServiceNow used as a backend and database. In our key features are AI categorization. It will auto-categorize the issue by urgency. As I mentioned that critical, medium, low. Then the passengers can track their incident by using the incident ticket number they received in WhatsApp or mail. And the admin and managers have a live dashboards where they can track the number of incidents are raised, and if the incidents are not resolved in a time, the manager can raise a request to a maintenance team where it can be resolved quickly. Next, I used PyTest to auto-test the websites and app. And thank you very much. By creating this project,
we can improve airport opportunities with AI and automations. And passengers saves a lot of time. In generally, passengers don't get that much of communication with staff, so will be difficult to raise an request or an incident. If we use this project, the passengers can easily communicate with maintenance staff or higher authorities, and their issues will be solved very easily. Thank you, and special thanks to Certihub, Babji sir, and my mentors.
Good presentation. The next team, team number 28. Team number 28.
Welcome, Team 28. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the Project Smart Exam Evaluator. Gagula Ashrita, Kalu Lohitha Alekya, Korla Kavya Santoshi, Kopiredi, Hema Durga, Koneti Sai Lakshmi Durga, Madam Seti Sai Lahari. Their project aims to OCR vid your NLP system to evaluate handwritten answers automatically. Implemented using React.js, Node.js, and Express.js, this is truly a project to watch. Every great journey starts with a bold step. Take yours right now.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So, my name is Gogul Ashrita and this is my team. Today we are here to present our capstone project, which is AI exam evaluation system. So the main problem statement of our project is, actually in many universities, even now, the evaluation of the answer sheets is manual. So sometimes this may lead to human errors and also time consumption. Even sometimes if more number of answer sheets are there, the workload for the faculty will be increased. So we have developed a web application where we have integrated AI. This AI will automatically generate marks, and we also used OCR, which will extract test, and the rest of the workflow will be explained by my teammate.
Now coming to the system workflow. So initially to know the workflow, we have gone to exam cell. So as we can see, next slide. So as we can see, these are the roles present in exam evaluation. Initially, there will be an exam cell. Exam cell will be creating the examination and also assigning the subject coordinator for a particular subject. After that, the subject coordinator will be uploading the question paper, schema, and also a sample answer key. And we will be writing the answers in booklets. These booklets are scanned by the clerk. For internal evaluation, they will be bundled according to the sections. For external evaluations, these are bundled according to the number of external faculties. After this, the AI evaluation takes place. We have used OCR and NLP. OCR is used for text extraction and NLP will analyze the answers. So, the question paper, sample answer key, schema will be used for analyzing the booklet. So after this, the faculty review takes place. Faculty review are two types, internal and external. So for internal evaluation, faculty will be viewing the booklet very neatly. For every question, there will be the marks assigned by the AI and also strong and weak points. The faculty will review the strong points, and if he want to modify the marks of a student, he can modify it. So after modifying the marks, he will be saving the marks of the student. The student can directly view in their dashboards, and if they think there is a correction for the marks in their subject, they will contact the particular faculty. For external evaluation, after completion of entire bundle evaluation by AI, he will manually view the strong and weak points of a particular question, and he can also modify. After this, he will be saving, that is initial freeze will be done. It will be moved on to the scrutiny. Scrutiny is nothing but he will just check whether the marks are assigned for a particular question written by the student or not how many marks are assigned. After this, if everything is okay, it will be moved on to DCE. DCE will check whether the marks are assigned correctly and the evaluation process is correct or not. After that, CE will publish the results by viewing the entire statistics. So coming to the key features of our project, so AI handwriting evaluation, script view verification, role-based dashboards, and also relative grading will be there. So coming to the technology stack, we have used these technology stacks. So coming to the future improvements, the mobile app can be developed for faculty and students. After that, this platform can be scaled to multiple universities and colleges. The error-free correction can be takes place. So before concluding, as everyone here has the major doubt that AI analyzing different handwriting is difficult. So for that, we will be generating confidence value for every question in the booklet, so that if the confidence is less than 0.7, it will request the faculty for the manual review. So before concluding, I would thank my mentor, and also to conclude with, combining AI with a system workflow, it will reduce the system delay and also improves accuracy. It provides students improved performance. Thank you.
Good presentation. Okay, very confidently presented. The next team. I think last time I called 142 team. I think they missed. Are you there? Come on.
Welcome, Team 142. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Certihub Pio Jethabellum. Badagani Shurendra Kumar, Bondi Kalyani, Chakradhar Chowdhury Gunnam, Dazina Rohit, Nakadur Durga, Sadhya Sri Medhavi. Their project aims to Certihub is a centralized digital platform designed to manage, store, and verify certificates efficiently. Implemented using React.js, HTML, and CSS, this is truly a project to watch. Incredible work deserves an incredible stage.
Hello everyone,
and this is it.
and this is Madhavi, and this is our team. Our project is Certihub. Certihub is used to just store the certificates and manage the certificates in an efficient manner. So the problem statement is, nowadays many people feel difficult in choosing the domain on the basis of the skills they have. And the next statement is posting the LinkedIn post in a professional way. So first, the user uploads the certificate in Certihub. So after posting the certificate, after posting the certificate, AI analyzes the text from the certificate and gives that the user for which domain he is capable for, and also gives the suggestions. For example, if we upload a Red Hat certification, it says that we are capable for system administration domain. And also we have the Certibot here. We can ask the questions on only the study purpose, because we have kept a restriction for the API. And next one is LinkedIn ready posts. We can upload, we can post the LinkedIn post in a professional manner from our platform to LinkedIn. And the third one is public profile. Like a code chef and a lead code, we can also share the profile. And we can also keep it in a resume. So, in resume, we can see that certificates will be visible. So, tech stack will be explained by my friend.
In our project, we use tech stack for front-end, React.js for Timeline CSS for styling, and Framer Motion for soft animations. For backend, we use Node.js for server logic and Express.js for server APIs and server routing. And for database, we use Firebase authentication for secure user login and sign up. And Firebase file store is used to store the extract information from the certificate. You can store the details like date, issuer, name, etc. And Cloudinary is used for store the certificates that we uploaded from first. And we use AI for like Grok Glamour to analyze the skills and domains and ready the LinkedIn ready post like captions and hashtags. And Tesseract OCR is to extract the information for certificate. This is my project. In conclusion, Certihub helps students and professionals to manage their certificates in one place and convert them into a professional assets using AI technology. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. So, okay, take your group photo. Between, I'll call the next team. The next team, 133.
Welcome, Team 133. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the Project AI-based grid camera, Arijala T. Hazri Sai, Santosh, Gundabogula, Mankaka, Akshara Hasini, Madhuri Rama Venkata Satya Chittinaga Sai, Mantrapragata Sai Harshit. Their project aims to GridCam is an AI-based smart camera application designed to enhance photo composition. Implemented using Kotlin, Bulldog, Android, XML, XML.js, and Node.js. This is truly a project to watch. This is pure talent meeting pure passion. We get to watch it happen.
So good evening, guys. I'm Harshit. We are Team GridCam. So we are here to explain our GridCam. It is mainly based on the smartphone photography. So we developed a smartphone-based photography application that is used to capture the photographs in a computational guidance, such as like in grid compositions. For example, in our basic cameras, we have seen the grid like such as 3x3 matrix grid. So for the advanced photography, there are some of the grid compositions such as spiral, golden spiral, and also leading lines and some of the main things. So we developed this camera application for the users to capture the photographs in a quality and balanced composition. So, and the main thing is to make the users to capture the best photographs to capture in a better way. So my friend Akshara Hasni will continue this.
Hello. To overcome this solution, we have developed a GridCam, which is a smart camera system that uses the artificial intelligence to capture the AI and live photography and provide the most suitable way for capturing good photographs. Our application is built using Android and Java. And for AI, we have designed MobileNet View machine learning model using TensorFlow and Keras that is converted into TensorFlow Lite using Lite-RT. Now my friend will continue.
So coming to the system architecture, we used Java and Android for the system designing. We use CameraX API that gives the live captures of the photos and it will analyze the frame too. We used a ML machine learning model called MobileNet V2, which will give the entire scenario based on the compositional grids which it can be suitable for. And we used the we trained a model using MobileNet V2 and we got converted into a TensorFlow Lite application. And we got implemented compositional grids which can be validated for every perfect shot. Meanwhile, for instance, we need to capture this entire gallery into a camera shot. We need to align a perfect thing. So for this alignment, we came up with a solution which will which will suggest you the most accurate, most precisable shot that can be taken here. And we train the machine learning models using four type of compositional grids, which is rule of thirds, golden spiral, and leading lines and symmetric models. For these kind of things, we worked a lot. We done a lot of groundwork, which we collected the images without any noises data, any text in the data. We trained the ML models using the Google Cloud Labs, which takes a lot of time to train them. We trained at almost 400 of images for this kind of thing. In future, we need to this camera app will give the enhancement and it will give the compositional analysis. It gives the flash also, and it can be implemented in front and rear cameras also. In future enhancements, we can add so many things like AI enhancement and brightness and sharpness and the contrast things too. Now my friend will continue.
Hi everyone. I think here so many members liked our project because so many boys like to do photography where girls like to take photos. Here is our app which provides both. So many photographers know how to take a photo with a perfect shot, with perfect composition, geometric shape and the perfection angle. So here our app provides that. It shows a percentage which tells that the alignment and the adjustment which you place it are how much percentage are correct, and also it also gives a perfect grid and composition which makes the perfect pic will come. So it makes for useful to everyone, and also it is offline based, so you can use it anywhere during offline. It is no use of internet, which makes you to take good photography with perfect shot. Thank you.
Okay, good presentation.
I request you to check once my app, sir. Please.
There is one more team, so first finish it. I'll call you. Okay. First we'll take the one photo. The next team, team number 32.
Welcome, Team 32. Put your hands together for the amazing minds behind the project Workping Chanuboyana Nagendra, Aravelli Vishnu Priya, Chavali JSR Vinayaka Gopala Krishna,
Team number 32.
Dwarampudi Lavaradi, Galapali Nikaljuran, Shaikh Umar. Their project aims to workforce management platform integrating attendance, payroll, and team management. Implemented using React Native, React.js, and Node.js, this is truly a project to watch. We are buzzing with excitement. Let's see it.
Good evening. This is Lova from the team Workping. Let me start by asking you a small question. Why Indian HR management is mostly dealt by human intervention? I'll start by telling a short story. Think of an employee working in a company. He wants to know how many leaves he's left with. Then he pings the HR at 11 p.m. in the night to plan his trip. But the HR pings him the next morning. Just think of 200 such employees messaging the same HR. That's almost 30 to 40% of HR's weekly work time spent only solving the requests and answering the questions. Today's HR management is completely built on chaos. It just digitalizes the existing chaos. Attendance in one app. Attendance is taken through a costly hardware device. Leaves on Excel. Payrolls on another app. So we asked one question. What if the system itself can think? And the answer is Workping. Workping is an agentic AI workforce platform. It is not just a dashboard. It is a team of autonomous agents. It can reason, it can think, it can answer just for you 24/7. Now, coming to the architecture. As it is the team of agents, the first agent is the vision agent. The vision agent captures your face, not from another device, right from your mobile, right from your website, just on your laptop. It brings down the facial recognition time by almost 40% by a self-trained model, not just an API taken from some source. The second agent is WhatsApp HR agent. It is a HR that is built onto your mobile. You ask a question about the leaves you left with. It answers you instantly. Next comes the answering agent or the analysis agent. It goes through all the requests placed by the employees and then routes the request raised by the employees to the perfect HR, admin, or the manager autonomously without even any human intervention. And finally, the scheduling agent. Say you have forgot to scan your face. Just think of losing the money that you are being paid for working on that day. You have to go to the HR by the end of the month and ask them, showing the proof of your work, saying that I had present on that day. But now it's not like that. A notification right after the point will be triggered right to your WhatsApp application. Everyone uses WhatsApp, I think, for about by every 20 minutes. The user sees the message and gives the reply. And now, coming to the architecture. The architecture is completely built on distributed systems. It's not just a single service or two services. It is a combination of 15 services. The front end is built on the React Native for the mobile application and the React for the web application. The back end is built on the Node.js. The database is on the Mongo. The facial recognition model and the neural language processing model are built by our ML engineer in the team, Umar. The entire application is hosted on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Coming to security, it is 7-layer defense in-depth architecture provided by Oracle Cloud itself. And now, the best part is, it is not a demo. It is not a prototype. It is live on workping.live. And thank you so much.
Good presentation. Okay. And well clear. Next. What is the next team? Any guess? Okay, very good. You are in the right track. We already completed all the teams from second year and third year. So now our judges will be finalize the final winners. So they will take some time for announcing the final list of winners from the second year and third year. And between, I will complete Best AI Integration Projects Award, okay, one by one. Okay, I'm inviting the teams. Next team, team number 32. Team number 32. The team number 32. So these projects are integrated with the AI to compare it to other team members. Next team number 34. Come on. Team number 34. Team number 34. Team number 35. Team number 35. Next, team number 38. Team number 38. Team number 38. Team number 38. Next, team number 40. Team number 40. Team number 40. Next, team number 47. Team number 47. Team number 47. Next, team number 52. Team number 52. Team number 52. Team number 53. Team number 53. Team number 53. Team number 35, 135. Team number 135. Team number 135. I think team number 53 is already announced, right? 53, yeah. Team number 57. Team number 57. Team number number 69. Team number 69. Team number 78. Team number 78. 69, 78. Team number 70. Congratulations. Team number 78. Team number 81. Team number 81. Team number 81. Team number 83. Team number 83. Team number 83 and team number 90. Team number 90. Team number 107. 90. Team number 107. Team number 107. Team number 111. 111. Team number 111. Team number 111. Team number 111. Team number 112. Team number 112. 113. 113. 112, 113. 115. 112, 13, 15. So all these 25 teams, okay, team leader need to get in touch with Pawan sir, okay, we'll provide some $20 of cloud API key, okay. Please get in touch with the Pawan sir. So you will add team leader email ID, okay, we can access. So I want to take some 5-10 minutes break. I hope between where is our judges? They're there, now they're missing. Okay. Now, okay, good. It's there. Hello, Pawan. % using the AI, only 10% are changing the minor changes of that post. Okay, to encouraging the mentor creativity, we are giving the again for them also $20 worth of API key for mentor creativity. Okay, we voted, right? So, okay, so who is the winner? Okay. See, one important thing you need to learn, okay? Always we need to encourage genuine creativity. Don't take any personal things, okay? Tomorrow maybe you are in a different position, somebody will take the personal opinion, will give the wrong judgment. When somebody asks you to give some judgment, always should be professional. Yes? Okay, when I look at some dashboard, yes, some votes are based on some X criteria. They are not at all considering creativity. Okay, I completely understand your maturity level. Okay, but again, already mentioned, right, based on votes, right? Third position with 126 votes, Ashok Post. We are not giving any award. For third position, no award. Second position, any guess? Second post voting is the 167 votes for Pawan sir post. But no, unfortunately, no prize for the second place also. Okay. Now the first position, creativity, got 172 votes. Okay, the votes for Bobby Kiran post. Okay. Okay, that is a genuine vote. That is the real creativity they're implemented using the AI. when I look at some Bobby Kiran sir post, I really impress. Okay? But the second post I really like is the Bhaskar sir post. Okay? Okay? But you guys are giving the different voting. That is not proportional voting. Okay? Okay, anyhow, now I request the Bobby Kiran sir, we are giving some 20. Okay? You will get some $20 Cloud API key. Okay? See, I'm not promoting Cloud. Okay? I'm encouraging to at least you can use that Cloud API, how we can use the call the API key, how we can, for example, when you call any service, we can understand how much cost is the charging for each request. That is the one of the reason I'm giving the API keys. If I give some pro account $20, it will expire in the 30 days. But if I give some API key, you can consume maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months based on your experiment with your team members. Okay, that is the reason I'm giving. I'm not getting any free cloud credits. We are paying from our pocket. Okay, this is about the mentor creativity. But it's almost to the 10:30. Actually, I'm supposed to take some mentor presentation. Are you ready? Really? 5 project, 25 minutes means again that another 30 minutes. Is it okay? Okay? Oh my God. I thought if you are not. Okay. Okay, we'll go. Okay. Let me share some interesting statistics. Couple of months back, when I proposed integrating the AI into project space, okay, some of the students are, oh, no, we don't know AI, how can we integrate the AI? Okay. So unfortunately, some of the mentors is the encourage, okay, you don't know AI, how will implement? Okay. I have agents, okay, in student as well as the mentor. Okay, means they have their own spice. They'll share all the information. Then I decide, okay, I want to make sure everybody integrate the AI. If somebody asks me to, it's not possible, I'll take the pause, make it possible. Okay? Don't just think about, make it happen, right? Today is the happen. Now all of you integrate the AI, all of our mentors are integrate the AI. At least you learn the 5%, right? Okay. I assign the different project ideas for all the mentors. The few mentors not able to do any project, not able to do. And few mentors are at least tried, but it's not up to mark. And the few mentors really perform well. The 12 projects have shortlisted. The 12 projects are we showcase in the build, okay, program. So out of the 12 projects, I'm going to shortlist 5 teams. Okay, those 5 teams, they are going to give the presentation here. Then again, I shortlist the 3 teams. I'm the judge. Okay, I'm not taking your opinion. Okay, you are taking all the personal things. Okay, but why I'm taking the decision? I know how their work last 2 months. In and out, I know that. Okay. Okay, let me call first team. Any guess? Huh? Any other guess? Anyone guess? You have only 12 teams. I am going to call the 5 teams. Okay. First team I'm going to call the first team. వాడు అన్నీ అంటే బాబీ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ప్రైజ్ పట్టుకెళ్ళిపోయాడు ఆయన. ఓకే ఓకే ద ఫస్ట్ టీమ్ ఈజ్ ద హూట్ ఏఐ. ఓకే I don't know how they're going to present, but the first team is I nominated the Hoot AI project. Okay, our mentors are quite occupied with a lot of other things. Okay, they are not set up any presentation. I think you already seen their presentation, right? Okay, and the second project, okay, they are not going to present, but you already seen their presentation, right? So now I'm going to announce some 5 teams. Okay, then I again announce the 3 teams, winners teams. Okay, I'm not taking any personal things. Okay. Just 5 first, let me announce the 5 teams. And the second team. Yeah. Okay, the second team is the Maunika mobile app, Artify. Okay. Okay, that's the second team. And third team, Vibe Coding, Arshavatni madam, Project Space. Okay. Fourth team. Okay. Fourth team, Bobby sir, VLSA project. And fifth team, Kishore sir, Generative AI project. These 5 teams as of now. Okay, for me it's very, very difficult because even other people are putting their best effort. Okay. So, but anyway, I need to announce some winners. That's the reason I announced these 3 teams. 5 teams. Okay, now again, final winners. Okay, we'll take a break. Okay, we'll take a break. Okay. Going to announce? Okay, I'm going to announce the winners of Mentor project. Third place. Third place of mentor project, Maunika. And second place,
Thank you so much, sir.
the second place. Second place. Second place, A. Hoot, Krishna and Prashant. Krishna and Prashant. And first position. I want gift, man. First position, Arshavardhani. So that's all about the mentor effort, but all of them are really putting their effort. Okay, for me it's very, very difficult. Okay. Okay, before they're sharing the winners list, I want to take the 5 minutes break. Kishore, over to you. Kishore.
Okay, 1 second. Good evening, all. So, we have completed the first stage of the project space successfully, where we have completed all the 30 reviews of the teams. And now we are awaiting for the results, the top 10 teams out of 30. So before going to the top 10, so I need to share you a small note. Okay, very small note, not even 2 or 3 minutes. But this small note created very big impact globally. Arjun sir, link. See, whatever we do in Technical Hub will not be only inside this university. Okay, we showcase this globally. And this global impact, what we have created, has proudly validated by Oracle Academy. So this is Oracle Success Summit. So where Technical Hub and Babji Sir Success Meet has been proven here. And the thing is, we never just started it. Okay, we built it, we refined it, and we proved it works. And now it became a benchmark where others are imitating this. Okay, so what Babji Sir vision before 10 years is not just working. Here, Oracle proves that this is the exact thing what the companies need. Okay, so let's take a moment to congratulate Technical Hub team and Babji Sir, and congratulate yourself also, because you're also the part of the ecosystem. So now, I request your silence for 2 minutes. And in next 2 minutes, the most awaited moment, the results. So once it is been declared, I'll miss you all. Seriously, I don't want to sleep today night because it will be morning if I sleep now. So such affection being created in these 7 days compared to other 8 months. So in this meantime, I request any one of you to share your thoughts, your experience in this project space. Don't promote others, okay? Anything that you want to share. Anyone? Please come, Tarun. One after one. So, introduce yourself.
Well, I know that most of you know me already. Myself, this is Pratap. This is Pratap from Full Stack Development. And in this short 7 days of span, I have met a lot of people. Even though I was stuck myself onto my friends and all my peers, what I have met in the FSD, but in these 7 days, not only the people in the FSD, but also from the different technologies, from the different campuses, I have explored the best 7 days of my life. It starts from the day of escaping the messes, coming to the T-Hub for attendance, trying to grab the snacks from the mentors, trying to hide the snacks from the IS. And also the days that we slept in the meetings, and also the days where we got motivated in the meetings. Those were the best days I have had. And coming to the mentors, the legendary Light, Kishore sir. Literally, before these 7 days, I didn't even met him once. Not only Kishore sir, all the remaining mentors except my mentors in the FSD, all of them have shown us such an attention, such a care. They not only motivated us, they were been with us like friends, and they have suggested us some important suggestions and also played with us. This was the best 7 days of my life, which has changed my character, which has improved my interaction. That's from my side. Thank you. Signing off.
Tarun.
Hello guys, myself Tarun. So firstly, I will start through my journey in Drive Ready. I have opted Google Flutter, which is one of the booming technology. At first, I have a regret of taking Google Flutter. Sorry, sir. But I'm not leaving I'm not having regret now, as I was leaving very happily, and I was able to do projects with my team. It's very nice. I have learned many things in Flutter. Actually, these 7 days, I have took room with my other day scholars, like Praneeth, Sumant, and I also started content creation in my Instagram. You could actually check it. I have done 5 days videos. The experience was very cool. Thank you, Babji sir, for giving this. I thought of we have a gala dinner. At last, it was possible because of you. Sitting together, talking about the late nights. Even our Flutter mentors are very collaborative. Like Monica ma'am, like her smile. She's very generous and she's very kind. Coming to our Krishna sir, one-man army, he's very innovative and very collaborative. Thank you, sir. Coming to Vasan sir, his innovation is very different. Nandakumar sir is not only a man who always supports us from behind, and the experience in being in hostel is very fun. Going one after one for bathing at 8:30, skipping the messes, exchanging our shoes, perfumes, etc. Not my size, okay? And the friends which I have met good friends. I have spoken with all the juniors. I have learned about the technology. I don't know VLS I have this much core, like it is a core of the heart. I don't know. So I'm very impressed by seeing VLSA projects. I hope VLSA wins the project space. Apart from Flutter, okay? So this was my experience. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So next, from second years, anyone? Pranav?
Hi guys. So thanks to Babji sir and Technical Hub for first organizing this. This project space was kind of special for me, as not only me but my dad was also a part of it as a guest. He came, he spent one whole day with everyone, inquiring, looking at everyone's projects. Apart from that, Project Space has given us a lot of learning curve where we have implemented the project from a basic level to a working deployment, and that has helped us learn a lot, really. So I'd like to thank all the mentors of Technical Hub along with Babji sir. Thank you.
Okay, let me announce the second year winner, the top 5 teams. Okay. 5th position from the second year, team number. ఎదురు చెప్పండి. మీరు చెప్పేస్తే కుదరదు, ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళు చెప్పేశారు. ఓకే, టీమ్ నెంబర్ 131. టీమ్ నెంబర్ 131, 5th పొజిషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ ఇయర్. Team number 131. Come on. Run, 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 run. The next 4th position from second year, team number 112. Team number 112 for the 4th position from second year. 112. Come on, boys, run. Team number 112. Team number 133, third position. Second position from second year, team number 115. Team number 115. Second position, team number 115. The first position from second year will announce after some time. Okay. Okay. So let me announce third year winners. Then we'll come back to second year or finish the second year. Is finished? Okay. We'll announce after some time. Okay. Third year, we announced 13 winners. 13th position, team number 52. Team number 52, 13th position. Team number 52. Position from third year, team number 27. Team number 27. Team number 27. Eleventh position, team number 57. Team number 57, 11th position. Team number 57 at the 11th position. position from third year, team number 2. Team number 2. Ninth position, team number 81. Team number 81. Team number 81, ninth position. Eighth position, team number 48. Team number 48. The eighth position, right? Now the seventh position. Seventh position, team number 47. Team number 47. Sixth position from third year, team number 107. Sixth position, 107. Now the fifth position from third year, team 34. Team 34. The fifth position from third year, team 34. Fourth position from third year, team number 40. Team number 40. And the third position from third year, team number 32. Third position, team number 32. The second position from third year, team number. It's the team number 35. So team number 35. The second position, team number 35. Congratulations. First position from third year, any guess? First we'll announce the second year's first position and I'll come back this, okay? Okay. Let me announce the second year first position first and then we'll announce the third year first position. Second year first position, team number 1, 3, 2. Team number 132. Okay. We'll take some break and we'll learn. We'll take break. We have some drinks, right? We'll have. Okay. I'll take some break, right? Now it's 11:04. We'll announce at 12 o'clock. Okay, let me announce after 30 minutes. Okay, weather is not supporting, okay. Okay, let me announce third year first position winner. Team. సీరియల్ చెప్తారు కదా 3 times చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు. టీమ్ 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 విన్నర్ విన్నర్ విన్నర్. హూ ఇస్ విన్నర్? హూ ఇస్ విన్నర్? హూ ఇస్ విన్నర్? టీమ్ జూమ్ చేయండి, కెమెరా జూమ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, టీమ్ విన్నర్. ఎనీ గెస్? Okay. 3 times zoom here, 3 times zoom here. Okay, let me announce. చాలా నర్వస్గా ఉంది. బాగుంది, అది మళ్ళీ చేద్దాం. మళ్ళీ కౌంట్ డౌన్. ఓకే, కౌంట్ డౌన్. well సరిగ్గా చేయలే. అగైన్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 10. ఓకే, 10 9 8 7 6 3 2. టీమ్ నెంబర్ 28. టీమ్ నెంబర్ 28. Okay, it's all about the mentors, winners, second year, third year. Finally, my responsibility completed. Okay. Okay, so before the signing up, I would like to thank for all the supporters. Okay, it is not easy to organize the 7 days event with 900 people. Okay, so we need to thank from management to office boy. Yes, it is not very easy job. Okay, maybe tomorrow if you start any new company, maybe you become the team leader or the project manager, you will understand how difficult to manage the team members. Okay, on this occasion I would like to thank each and every person who support me the last 7 days. Okay, first I invite my team member on the dais, please. Team members, please. All the technical team members, please come on the dais. So I really thank each and every person here, and some of the people is not available. I really thank each and everyone to giving their wonderful support. Okay, this is not one man show. This is the team show. Okay, from the every person. So this is not at all easy job. Okay, I really thank each and every person. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, give it a big round of. Okay. See, it is a completely professional event. It is not. See, did you notice from the setting the sound system, we did not play a single movie song. Yes. Okay, we'll see. Anyway, already watching hundreds of OTTs, right? Now, what is the difference with playing the movie song here? Okay. Okay. So before the signing up the project space, again, I really thanks each and every student who participated in this program. Okay. You really, I appreciate your the discipline. Okay. So we well disciplined the last 7 days. You did not get a single any issues, challenges. I did not had any kind of the issues from the hostel side, any something, any from anybody. Okay. I really thank each and everyone. So, okay, well, initially when I proposed this program with 900 students, some of the people are a little bit of scared. So, are you crazy? How are you able to manage with 900 people? Okay. Yes, I am very much confident on my students. They are well disciplined. I don't need to spend any amount of time on their discipline point of view. Okay. I really thanks for your the wonderful support. Even the mentors is also really worked hard. Okay. And even everybody from the Rambabu, Harshavardhani madam, everybody, okay? Even look at the ayas. How many of you noticed about some ayas? Really, they're working literally hard. Yeah? You know, we ordered 24,000 soft drinks. But you are not reaching my expectation. Okay, still they have the 80 cases, each case is the 24 drinks, still left. No home delivery, no Swiggy, Jamata here. Okay. So, okay, anyhow, but my personal advice, please don't drink soft drinks. Don't drink, okay. Last 4 project space, I did not take the single soft drink. Did not take the single snack also. A personal advice as a well-wisher, please don't drink soft drinks and please don't eat packaged food. Okay, these two my personal advice. Okay, because those food are not good. Even just calculate how much sugar is contained in each soft drink. Yes. When I'm sitting here, Rambabu sir taking the one jeera drink. Actually, I really like the jeera flavor. Okay, I don't want to tempt. Second is literally required 30 minutes to jog to burn the calories. Okay. But if you want to drink, do more exercise. Yes. Without exercise, don't drink soft drinks. Don't consume. Okay. It will be affect your health. Okay. Now we are in the young, we can digest anything, but it's very, very harmful for you. Okay? And they are not doing any puja. That is not crackers, agarbatti. Okay. And one more thing. Now the AA scenario, nobody know about AA. Keep it in mind. Don't expect somebody will train you on AI. Okay. If somebody delivering the AI means they just learn just couple of weeks back. That's it. Okay. And don't waste your money on some OTT, some other thing. Just purchase some cloud or OpenAI, some other API keys. It will be helping. Okay. Even if you spend the 10,000, 20,000, it's more than enough. Okay. Please don't waste your money on some unnecessary thing. Just purchase some different AI tools. Okay. That's all. I don't know how many of you close chess.